Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Solana from Uphold to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to secure your assets in a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Uphold account with Solana in it, your Ledger Nano X device fully set up, and the Solana app installed on your Ledger. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and handle it now, it's crucial for security. Step 1. Open your Ledger Nano X and connect it to your computer via USB. Unlock it with your PIN and open the Solana app on the device. This will generate your Solana wallet address, which is where your funds will go. On your computer, use Ledger Live or another compatible wallet interface to view and copy this address. Double-check that it's the correct one to prevent any errors. Next, log into your Uphold account on their website or app. Navigate to your Solana holdings. Find the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the wallet address you copied from your Ledger into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Uphold. Before you confirm, review the transaction details carefully. Uphold might ask for two-factor authentication, so have that ready. Hit confirm, and you'll see a transaction fee. Solana transactions are usually fast and cheap. Once approved, the funds should appear in your Ledger wallet in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. And remember, crypto prices can be volatile, so secure your assets wisely. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Solana from Uphold to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.